If you're feeling overwhelmed by the idea of using AI in your business, it's probably not because of the technology itself. More often than not, the real challenge lies in your business systems. Right now, there's a lot of buzz around artificial intelligence, but one important thing that gets overlooked. AI isn't a magic fix for operations that aren't working well. Instead, it tends to expose where those operations are broken or inefficient. When business owners try to bring AI into their work and run into confusion, resistance, or disappointing results, it usually comes down to unclear or inconsistent processes. If your internal systems aren't well defined, with clearly laid out steps and responsibilities, AI tools can actually make things more complicated instead of easier. Let's start with the idea of growth. As companies grow, things often get more chaotic if operations aren't streamlined. You might have more customers, more products, or more employees, but if your processes haven't evolved to keep up, the business starts feeling messy and out of control. AI has a way of shining a bright spotlight on these issues. It doesn't create the chaos out of nowhere, it just makes it more obvious. So, if your business feels like it's spinning its wheels with AI, it's likely because the underlying systems need work. And this brings us to the core element AI needs to work effectively: clarity. To make AI helpful, you need clear processes that everyone understands and follows consistently. You also need clear decision-making rules so that AI knows what to prioritize or how to respond in different situations. Finally, there needs to be clear ownership, someone who is responsible for each part of the operation and for managing how AI fits into the workflow. Without this foundation, AI tools can produce unreliable results or even increase your team's workload because it adds complexity rather than reducing it. When operations are organized and consistent, AI can truly add value. It can enhance the customer experience by automating repetitive tasks, speeding up responses, or providing personalized interactions. It can also reduce costs by improving efficiency and allowing your team to focus on higher impact work instead of mundane details. In this scenario, AI acts as a force multiplier, enabling growth without chaos. But on the other hand, if processes aren't well documented or fail to follow a predictable flow, AI ends up creating more work. Instead of helping, it forces your team to spend time fixing mistakes, clarifying instructions, or dealing with unexpected issues. In some cases, businesses try to bypass this problem by rushing into AI adoption without taking the time to simplify their operations first, which often leads to frustration and wasted resources. So, if you're thinking about expanding your business in 2026 and want to include AI in your plans, it's crucial to begin with simplification. Take a close look at your current workflows. Identify bottlenecks or inconsistencies, and document how things should ideally work. Establish clear roles and responsibilities, and create decision rules that reflect your business priorities. Only when you have these basics in place will AI tools become a true asset rather than something of a headache. To help with this process, there are resources available like the January 2026 Business Growth Roadmap, which can guide you through streamlining your operations and planning for growth. You can also find more informative videos on this topic to deepen your understanding. And if you want a more personalized approach, consider booking a 15-minute laser coaching call with me to discuss how AI can fit into your specific business context. For those of you who are ready to make AI part of your strategic growth, there's even a February cohort coming up. And this program is designed for business owners seeking a structured, thoughtful way to adopt AI while strengthening their operational foundation. It's not about jumping into AI blindly. It's about doing it intentionally and effectively. In summary, don't think of AI as just a tech upgrade. View it as a tool that requires strong, clear systems to work well. Start with streamlining your operations. Clarify your processes and set clear ownership, and then bring AI into the mix. That's how you turn potential frustration into real growth and improve business performance in 2026 and beyond. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success. I hope to see you next week.